So after you clean it, put it back, the filter drain or the filter plug. Okay, put the cover on, and when your wife or your missus use the machine for laundry. Good morning, mga friendship. I'm here for you now to give you a little bit of DIY or tutorial tips for how to clean your washing machine. Okay, because this washing machine is already been asked for ages already, so we have a little bit of issue on the washing machine. So every time we wash or do our laundry, it's dripping off the water from the bottom, from here, and from this cover. Alright, so I will teach you how to do the cleaning up or how to unblock any stain or lime scales on your washing machine. Okay, I'll show it to you now. Right, first thing you do to clean your washing machine, okay, you have to unplug your socket from the socket or from the main. So you have to switch off the main socket from your socket wall, and right, to do that, alright, so after you unplug the socket wall, so to make sure you not be electrocuted by the washing machine when you unblock your washing machine. Okay, so let's start it. Right, so you see this cover, right? You see this cover, just put flat screwdriver or anything that you can put inside. What you do is just push downwards and the clips will come off. And also from this side, I already take off anyway, so that will come off. So the cover will be out, right? Then obviously you have to put something underneath to catch the water, okay, right? But I'll use a fork to pop that cover out, okay? And you have to pull out, or right, you have to pull out. This is the drain, okay? What you do is just twist. At the same time you have to pull out, okay? Right? But you have to put something underneath to catch the water. Okay, I just drained this earlier, so I catch up the lime scale. Look at the lime scale out a bit, okay? And also coins. The coins is come out from there as well. So that's why the water is dripping out from the machine, because the drain is blocked. Okay, just pull this one out. but I pulled this one earlier, twist it at the same time, but there's no more water coming out because I already drained earlier. I forgot to put video on it. Okay, what you do is put it back and put in the same place. All right, what you do is just, it only goes one way. Okay, just find the slot and just twist it back on the place. Okay, so that is secured now. What you do on this is the washing machine filter. I did earlier, as you can see, the limes, the lime scale come out. Okay, see that? All right, so what I do is unscrew this one, so you have to do counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, spin it until come out. See, look, all this stuff is coming from there. Okay, all the stuff. So I'm happy that I sort out the problem, but I will tell you how to do cleaning up or unblock the hole from inside. Right, as you can see, the hole there, that's your pump on the further end, and on the other side, that is the drain. That is the drain that goes to your or the machine or the water drain. It will block the detergent, or that's the outlet of the detergent or lime scale that collected from the machine. Okay, you have to peel it inside if there's anything that block in. Okay, but I found out there is. So what I did, because it's so awkward to get in there, right? So I have to do something, or I have to make it up tools to unblock the lime scale inside. Okay, so I found out something from my shed. This is a welding rod. You can find a steel wire, so you can push or bring the lime scale out. Okay, as you can see here, every time I put my rod in, the lime scale is coming out, guys. Look guys, look. Yeah, see this? That's so bad for your washing machine. That's why I'm no wonder why I had a leak from top to bottom, because of that drain is blocked. Okay, so what I do, I just continue doing it. Just dig in as hard as you can to solve that block or the lime scale out. Okay, as you can see, it keep coming out, guys. As you can see, keep coming out. It's so nasty and smelly. Okay, all right, just keep doing that. Okay, so just keep doing that until it cleans or until it clear. A little bit of time cleaning that off, so I think that's clear because I don't feel any lime scale in there now. All right, so I'm happy with that. So this is all the stuff that I clear from that hole. So hopefully this time the machine will be working fine, so no drifting water from the external part of the machine. Okay, so hopefully there's no absorbent rugs putting on underneath the machine. That's why we put this rug to protect the floor or not flooding the kitchen. So I'm happy with that. So this is all the stuff that I took off from the hole. Okay, all right, and also this is the filter that comes from that hole. This is the washing machine filter. This is the, so after you clean it, put it back, the filter drain or the filter plug. Okay, put the cover on, and when your wife or your missus use the machine for laundry, hopefully they'll be fine once you clean. So this is the hole that lime scale in there. So what you do, you all have to clean this one as well before you put them back together. Okay, so it will work fine maybe months later. So you have to check every now and then this filter or that hole. You have to inspect if there's any water dripping coming out from your machine externally. So that's the reason why you have to open it and clean it up. Okay guys, so what you do, just take an old toothbrush, all right, old toothbrush, and just brush that away. Okay, brush away the lime scale or anything that holds on the filter. Okay, all right, so that's all the stuff that I've been removed from that drainage or the hole. So hopefully that's gonna be clear and working good again for a few months. So that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this. Hope you get some ideas how to clean or how to unblock your washing machine. Thanks guys, make sure you like, subscribe and share if you like my tutorial about unblock or cleaning up your washing machine. Thanks guys, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.